Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over what is cardholder name. Now the cardholder name is the authorized owner's name, okay, that will be printed on a credit or debit card and it's used for identification and transaction security. So for example, this is a sample credit or debit card and you'll see the name right here, usually under the card number, basically, the card number, expiration date, and right here you should see the cardholder name. Okay, now this name, which is usually the cardholder's full and legal name, it serves as a primary identifier for the account, and it is required when making online or in-person purchases to basically verify the user is the rightful owner of the card. Okay, and the cardholder name is typically embossed or printed on the front of the card itself. Okay, so this is all there is to it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.